Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You've already granted location access. Now start sharing. Open the chat where you want others to see you, tap the attach icon, then location. Choose Share My Live Location so your position updates in real time. You'll immediately see a map preview, select a visible point, or keep your current position. Once done, Telegram asks for how long. Don't delay selecting it. This controls battery and privacy. Make sure to add a short message, if context helps other viewers understand why you're sharing. Next, you control how long your live location broadcasts. Tap a duration, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours, because shorter spans save battery and reduce exposure. You can type a note explaining purpose or ETA, then hit send. The live map appears in the chat for everyone. Multiple users in a group will each show distinct markers, which helps coordination. Once active, your position updates automatically. Make sure to stay within a network area and keep GPS enabled for accuracy. To finish, verify the live location message in chat and tap Stop sharing when you arrive or no longer want to broadcast. You can revoke sharing at any time. Once stopped, the map snapshot remains but live updates cease. Make sure to review Telegram privacy and background location settings if you plan frequent sharing. If something goes wrong, check GPS is on and Telegram has background location permission, reboot device, and update the app. Those steps usually fix non-updating or missing location data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.